Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that at one side on the daily time frame chart, there was a death cross formation that was about to form between the 50 and 200 daily simple moving averages. And on the other hand, there was a very big bullish divergence flashed on the weekly time frame chart. And this was my last video that I shared a few hours ago with you. And now if you take a look at the live daily time frame chart, then you can see that we had a nice bounce from the support of this broadening falling wedge pattern, but now this death cross is also formed. You can see that the 50 simple moving average on this daily time frame chart has just crossed down the 200 daily simple moving average. And on a weekly time frame chart, you can see that the price line has re-entered the same channel that was previously broken down. We had a long spike where the price line has recovered back, and now it can work as a nice support. And at the same time, there is also a very big bullish divergence flash as the price line formed lower than previous low. At the same time, you can see stochastic was forming a higher low than previous low. This was a very big bullish divergence. Therefore, the price line has followed this signal. And despite this death cross formation, you can see that we had a very nice impulsive bounce and the price line has re-entered the same channel that was previously broken down. And now it is trying to break out this red line. That is the EMA 21, the exponential moving average 21 on this weekly time frame chart. And in today's video, we will also analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of July 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is the trade setup for Bitcoin Cash, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal. Like this trade setup I shared on 17th of July 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of Bitcoin, and this is the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days, it is moving inside this broadening, falling wedge pattern. And whenever it is getting bounced from the support of the wedge, it is forming lower highs and lower lows as well. This time, after getting rejected by the resistance of this broadening, falling wedge pattern, price and has formed another lower low and bounced very well. And now it is moving towards the resistance. By the way, after this bounce, we have broken out a very significant support that was working now as a resistance. Previously, it was working as support of $60,000. That had been previously working as support here and support here and support here, support here and here. And now, again, after this breakout, it can work as a nice support. But at the same time, there's a critical situation because we have the formation of the death cross here, as the 50 simple moving average is crossing down the 200 daily simple moving average. That is a very strong bearish signal. And you can see that previously during this bull run, during the current bull run, when this death cross was formed here in the month of September 2023, then for a while the price had moved sideways and recovered back in. Very soon it broke out the 200 simple moving average once again, and this rally to the upside was continued. And before that, when this death cross was formed during the bearish trend, a long-term bear trend, then you can see, by the way, previously it was formed during the bear trend here in the month of January 2022. Here you can see that the 50 simple moving average crossed down the 200 simple moving average. Then after 1 year, the price then broke out this death cross, these two simple moving averages in the month of January 2023. Then a long-term bull run or bullish trend was begun. This time, therefore, I'm expecting that after this death cross, there is a probability, still a probability that the price end may move here sideways, but it is possible that after some sideways move, the price end soon can break out the resistance of these two simple moving averages, and this bull run will be continued again for the long term, because still we are in the bull run. And whenever this death cross is formed with during the bull run, then that can be a very nice buying opportunity to rebuy Bitcoin. after this stats cross. But if this stats cross is formed during the bear trend, long-term bear trend, like previously it was formed in the month of January 2022, then we can expect a very, very long-term bear market, the beginning of a very long-term bearish market. So this time you can see that the pricing is, this is almost the 1, 2, and 3 days. For the past 3 days, the pricing is trying to break out these two simple moving averages. And once Bitcoin will be able to break out these two simple moving averages, then I'm expecting an imminent move up to the resistance of this broadening falling wedge pattern. And if the pricing breaks out the resistance of this broadening falling wedge pattern, then the technical target for this breakout will be here at $73,794. That is the top of this broadening falling wedge pattern. Now, on the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that previously it was moving inside this wedge, and I've been telling you about it in those days when it was moving here inside this wedge. And after the breakout, the technical target can be here at $70,000 at the top of the wedge, and you can see that the price then rallied beyond that target. And during this rally, it has also formed this very long-term up channel. In the recent sell-off, you can see that for a while the price broke down the support. We had a long spike to the downside, moved very close to this long-term support of $48,000, but recovered back very soon. There was also a very big bullish divergence flash. Right now, we still have this bullish divergence in play. You can see that the price formed lower than previous, so at the same time, stochastic form higher low than previous. So therefore, due to this bullish divergence signal, the price is recovered back, and now it has broken out this uptrend line resistance of this channel that was in fact previously breaking as support, and now it was breaking as a resistance, and now we have finally broke it out. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that for 1, 2, 3, and 4 days it has been struggling to break it out, and now it has successfully broken out this resistance. Now this uptrend line support, that resistance can again work as a support for the price line, and now we need to break out this red line that is an exponential moving average 21, the EMA 21 on this 7 days time frame chart. That is now working as a resistance for the price line. And after that, if the price line breaks out the EMA 21, then I'm expecting that soon it can again try to break out this long-term resistance zone. That starts from $69,000 and goes to $73,794. This resistance zone is coming from the month of November 2021. You can see that during this bull run, the price and got rejection here, and we got stable rejection for the past several months. You can see that the price line is getting rejected by this resistance zone. And if the price line will be able to break out this resistance zone, that starts from $69,000 and goes to $73,794, then it can read the resistance of the channel somewhere here, approximately at $100,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.